Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, cheap complainers, or gray alien artists where I report my Amazon purchase to the electric company, which is really a strange thing to do if you think about it. All right, this is Pittsburgh Unboxing. This is an Amazon purchase, something I need because I cannot assemble what's behind me without one. I ordered two of them because I wasn't sure which one I would need. So I ordered one small one and one big one. This feels like the big one. This is very heavy. Formerly used a murder weapon on Perry Mason, I think. There's the box. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. Get a real box this time. Hello, channel members. Hello, kitties. Bellamy, Oscar, Penelope, Harley, Marty, and Oreo Cat. This is a YY Tools Professional Tools Factory. Very heavy rubber coated mallet. Now, Paul thought, or my email said mullet. He sent me a picture of a fish. So, we're having supposedly heavy winds in the Bay Area today, but not here. Very nice and sunny. There's some heft to it. So maybe I could fix my knee with this. Anyway, it's a 1 pound mallet. I have no idea. Now, the instruction for the frame says require the mallet and a screwdriver. But nowhere on there I've seen in the pictures tells you what to do with this mallet. And I have a mallet. Now, I watched a video where they take a mallet and they put wooden flooring, they tap it gently so it doesn't damage the flooring. They need to slide it into position. But I've never had a mallet. I know that the only thing I know about mallets is they used to use these or heavy hammers to put in stakes for tents for circuses, and the Boy Scouts would use one of these for tent pegs. So, all right, there it is. I hope you're having a great day. It's not very nice here, nice and sunny, no wind, no rain, and the channel has gotten a new milestone of sorts: 1,390,015 views and 19,070 subscribers. So I will put this down because it is rather heavy. And hello, Top Cat. Hello, Bellamy Cat and the kitties. Hello, Bellamy's owner, who is looking for cinnamon flavored crunchies for the cats. And hello, channel members. Thank you for being a channel member. Thank you for helping support my feeding Mama Cat Kitten, Little Sweet Gray, Tiny One, every day, and anyone else who shows up to eat. There's a pretty gray one and the orange one, orange and white one. So I've been doing that for a long time. All right, tell your friends. Hit the like button, get people to subscribe to the channel, and get them to join for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, or you see content nowhere else. Tomorrow, all this bedding will be moved. The kitties will be very upset because they love the bedding. And last night, I looked over and had to laugh. It was so cute. Fluffy and Mama Cat were curled up next to each other, sound asleep on top of the electric blanket. They love the electric blanket. And I cleared out that shelf there, but one peg was not holding right, and the shelf collapsed when I moved one of the MacBooks. So I cleaned all the dust out of there, all the debris and anything dirty, and all the books are clean. But now I watched a video where Stanley has these little 1-inch, they're like this, and you screw them into the wood, not at the pegs, and it'll hold the weight of the shelf up. So I will go get a package of those. I did that with that bookcase when a lot of books collapsed one day, and those are very heavy shelves over there. And I'm probably going to end up moving the bookcase over the weight of the board and everything. I'll probably move that so it's more centered and I have more room. So with Kathy's help, we'll take everything off of there and move everything over a little bit. And I really should change that calendar. It says March, so I didn't notice that until just now. I've noticed it before, but I didn't do anything about it. Time to take all those days off. All right. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm. It's a beautiful and lovely and sunny day here in Martinez. But they had a wind warning for until night. Some areas are getting 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. I was just out there and none of that. So there is another item coming tomorrow. I'll put that on the main channel. And then Kathy will be here, and I'm going to go take a short nap, and then go get food, and then I'm done for the day. So, Kathy, I woke up at 8 o'clock this morning. I was still, ever since I called on, I'm tired. No pun intended, took a lot out of me. And I've had very little energy. Maybe it takes me longer to recover now because I'm older. I don't know. All right, that's it for this one. I will catch you later. Bye, Bellamy. Bye, kitties. Bye, Top Cat and Harley and all the kitties. And thank you, my channel members. And I want to thank the person that sent me another $15. Really appreciate it. And I used that to buy the mallet. And so next week I will be paying PG&E. That was the original intent, but I cannot keep sleeping on the floor. It's killing my back, and my knee keeps going out, my leg keeps going out, and I wind up falling because I have to push my whole body off the floor. And it's very painful. All right, I'll catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.